LG presents a fully automatic top-loading washing machine that boasts of its innovative and top-notch features, available in a wide range of colors. Available in a 6.2, 6.5, 7, 8, 9 and 10 kg capacity, ideal for an Indian family. This machine has been rated as 5-star by BEE in terms of water consumption and energy consumption. It consumes less water and power. This washing machine also gives you the best washing performance because of its smart inverter technology. This feature generates less vibration and noise and also consumes less electricity. LG washing machines have Turbodrum feature, which rotates and moves the clothes from top to bottom and left to right to give even wash to every cloth and remove the tough stains. LG washing machine comes with auto pre-wash feature, in which you don't need to rub collars or cuffs by hand. Just put the dirty clothes in the machine and stains will be removed. No hand wash required. Machine comes with soft closing door which gives add-on protection to you. The tub clean thoroughly sterilizes both inner and outer tub by removing leftover detergent and assuring your tub doesn't smell unpleasant. This machine can take care of itself when it malfunctions. Through your smartphone, it will troubleshoot and give you the steps for repair, saving you both time and money. LG washing machines come with an auto restart feature. When there is a power cut, the wash process stops, then resumes back from where it stopped. This quiet and super reliable washing machine is backed with a 10-year long warranty on the motor and 2-year warranty on the product. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.